Hi friends, this is Muhammad Maqbool. Assalamu alaikum. I warmly welcome you all in my special channel Apna Kashmir Foundation. Hi friends, I am very much disappointed, collapsed, disheartened, as right now I am just coming back from the surprising tourist spot Wine Kufara. You might have seen Wine Kufara. That is approximately 4 kilometers away from district headquarters Kufara, and from Sohipora it is half kilometer from Sohipora. What I have seen I am going to discuss with all of you, but it's quite dumbstrucking, as I am also dumbstruck as I have seen the heart-wrenching glimpses there. The lush green outfield was asking for injustice. They were saying that something has been done wrong with them, and the scenery which I was expecting has changed into desertification. I haven't seen any sort of lush green outfield as I have seen before 5 years when I was reading, and even and off when we went there evening times and early in the morning times. But nowadays everything has changed there. I was set back as I have seen their desertification due to overgrazing. Instead of noticing creative and attractive sites, I have seen savage dumping sites. You can find any type of bottles, polythene bags, cover-up chips, what I can say, lace and other noodle bags, which the people are consuming there. So dear friends, don't be disappointed. Don't lose courage and confidence. Remember, a solitude individual of this planet can improve and preserve his environment. But what requires is our collective and individual responsibility. We are individually and collectively responsible for improving our environment. So dear friends, let us leave aside all our ferocious hostility which we have been continuously adopting towards our Mother Earth. So it's my humble request to every citizen living on this planet that let us work hard to improve our environment. Take 3 formulas from me, that is RRR for solid waste management. That is RRR, refuse, reuse and reduce. उसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप किसी टूरिस्ट प्लेस पे जाना चाहते हैं या ज़मीन के किसी भी चप्पे पे जाना चाहते हैं, तो एक काम करें, वहाँ पे बोतलों का इस्तेमाल ना करें, प्लास्टिक बोतलों का या प्लास्टिक बैगों का इस्तेमाल ना करें। अब अगर इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा मजबूरी है तो उस सूरत में आपको चीज़ों को कंज्यूम करना है, लेकिन कंज्यूम जो है आप करोगे, कंज्यूम के बाद बोतलों को और उन बैगों को अपने बैग में डालें और वापस लाएं। तो उससे आपके बच्चों पर भी, देखने वालों पर भी एक इम्प्रेशन पड़ेगा, एक मानसिक एक वो इम्प्रेशन पड़ेगा कि वाकई अच्छा काम किया। और दूसरा ये भी मामला है कि अपना ज़मीर भी जिंदा रहेगा कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, एटलीस्ट आई हैव नॉट हार्मड माय मदर लैंड अर्थ। To show your love, sympathy and compassion, share, like and subscribe my video. Press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.